Hey, Baptiste! Want of a kind home? Get custom furniture! But dealing with factories can be tricky. You don't want your furniture real, right? I'm Jack Chu, the second generation of the furniture factory in Foshan. I will show you how to communicate effectively with factories and get exactly what you want. Take notes, like, and follow me, and save the video in case you can't find me. First things, do your homework. Measure everything. Get those rooms, dimensions, people down to millimeter, and don't forget those pipes and wipes. For example, if you're planning a built-in wardrobe, you need to think about the thickness, baseboard height, and so on. If you have any special requirements, such as a space for projector in the cabinet or hidden cabinet, make sure let the factories know in advance. And you need to have a clear idea of tell the factory your budget and let them suggest materials and style that fit. Know your needs versus want to stay on budget. A wardrobe is a need. A fancy rotating clothes rack or stands light are want. Prioritize and then visualize your dream home. Use Pinterest and houses to find inspiration. Collect images of styles, colors, and materials you like and share them with the factory. They can then offer you more options. The more pictures, the better. And then talk to the factory. Tell them exactly what you want. Video call, Zoom meeting. Tell them where it's going. Living room, bedroom, whatever. Length, wide, height. Don't miss a single number. What functionality do you need? Storage, detachable, basic materials for sofa bed. Discuss size, materials, and how it transforms. And then ask about production and delivery times and get it in writing. Proof, please. Ask for samples, photos, or even better, a 360 videos. That is something our factory rock at. We make sure you see exactly what you are getting. Choose a reputable, experienced factory. Visit our factory in Foshan. Check out our progress, touch our materials, and experience the craftsmanship. Let us know your travel plan, and we will arrange a pickup. Face to face is the best. We can confirm everything from dimensions and colors to hardware. If you can't come to Foshan, no worries. We can check via the video, photos, and recheck. Talk together. Inspect your furniture as soon as it will arrive at your home. Check if everything matches your orders. Look for any bumps, scratches, or damage. Filming an unboxing video is a good idea for protecting. And ask about the installation and after-sale service details. What is the warranty period and coverage? And make sure everything is clear, stated in contract. Buying furniture shouldn't be stressful. Be patient, communicate clearly, choose a reputable factory, let us, and you will get the perfect, affordable custom furniture. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. We offer one-stop furniture production from design to installation. Let's create your dream home together.
Follow me, go to my homepage, click my bio link to contact us.